Your Excellencies, the heads of state and government from SU member states, distinguished delegates, it is my great honor to address the SU Plus meeting in Kenya, a city that is shines with beauty, culture, and prosperity. Let me explain the warm greetings and best wishes of Nepal people for the success of this meeting as well as continued progression and prosperity of all the member states. My delegation joins me in expressing our sincere gratitude to the government of China for the generous hospitality and excellent arrangements made for the meeting. Excellencies, we live in an age of extraordinary progress in science, technology, and innovation. And this progress is overshadowed by deep factors, widening inequalities, economic turbulence, climate emergencies, and conflicts that require progress. In such a world, no nation can stand secure in isolation. No people can prosper in fragmentation. This is why multilateralism is an imperative of our time. Yet we must face it as rule-based order has been challenged. Peace and justice remain illusive. Thus, multilateralism is a crisis. And this crisis is not only ethnic. It also stems from its parallel multilateral forums provide much. Two of them, they deliver. Promises without progress, you trust. But abandoning multilateralism is not. We need to revitalize multilateralism now. We must make the global governance system more effective and efficient by placing the United Nations every In this context, the global governance initiative proposed by China would help strengthen the multilateral system by making it more just, inclusive, and equitable for a community with a shared future of humanity. More united, more integrated, and more resilient to tackle deepening geopolitical, economic, and ecological shocks that threaten our future. Nepal, a proud dialogue partner since 2016, looks forward to taking a major Excellencies, we cannot speak of peace without addressing regional security. Threats across borders. Threats across borders everywhere. Terrorism across society of safety and opportunities. Climate change multiplies risk. Nepal with the Himalaya in its heart feels it wrong. While our mountains establish global climate established, they are being stripped of their snow reserve, enduring the lives of billions living in the atmosphere. Emerging threats such as cyber attacks, pandemics, ecological shocks, and are not confined to borders. With just 5 years left to achieve the sustainable development goals, we are clearly Mr. Chair, Excellency. In this turbulent times, regional cooperation is a tool to tackle shared challenges, economic, technological, and economic. Nepal's commitment to regional cooperation is steadfast, and our relations with SU members is good. Excellency, the pathway requires 3 things. First, from isolation to connection. Second, from confrontation to consultation. And third, from contestation to cooperation. The world needs more partnership, not party, but working together. Regionally and globally, we can build a just, inclusive, and resilient order and achieve sustainable such rule of coordination will ensure that no nation is left to behind. Mr. Chief, in conclusion, Nepal reaffirms its commitment to enhance regional cooperation within the SCP. We support a rule-based, inclusive, multilateral system for a sustainable future. Let us support the Shanghai let us strengthen friendship, partnership, and good neighborly relations. A resilient and prosperous SQ region is within our reach when we are committed to act. Thank you.
Have a seat.